posting from your LinkedIn business page will not help you grow your business because no one, or almost no one, is going to see those posts anyway. So why is it that I tell all of my clients to create a business page anyways? Well, in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to set it up and also what it is that I think you should use it for. Most people actually treat their LinkedIn business page the wrong way. They're treating it like they would be treating an Instagram page or a Facebook page. To grow a following there, to post from there, to grow your business there, but that's not how it's done on LinkedIn. Just to give you an example, if you would create a LinkedIn event from your business page, which is a good thing to do actually, but you can't invite the people who follow your business page to the event. You actually invite the people that you are connected to. Having a business page is still very important because it gives your own page, your personal page, a credibility boost. And you can also reshare your personal post from your business page. So when you're resharing content through your business page, it sends a signal to LinkedIn that someone finds this so interesting that they're even resharing this. And when you also add your business to your experience section on your personal profile, you can link your business page to it, and your logo, if you have a logo, pops up there too. That creates a passive trust signal. So let me show you exactly how to set it up. So to create your business page, you go to For Business here, then you scroll down, create a company page, then you click Company. So this is where you add your company name. In my case, that would be Josefine Wanner. And as you can see, that creates your URL for your LinkedIn page. This is not a URL for your homepage or anything. That is the URL for your LinkedIn page. But we can change this one to anything that you want to have actually. All the information that you add in here, including the company name, the URL, the description, everything that you add in here can be changed, so it's not set in stone. So the industries, they are predefined. So just pick one that is closest to what it is that you're doing. If you work with contractors, I would advise you to pick 2 to 10 employees. If you are completely solopreneur, you never work with any contractors or anything, then pick 0 to 1 employees. And then this is where you can upload your logo that you have and then create page. Now that you have created your page, it's time to actually go through it and update it. So make sure that you have all the information needed on your page. And you do that by going to Edit Page. And as you can see, this is where you can change this information, where you can change the LinkedIn URL, where you can change the name of your company, where you can change the tagline. But there is more information that you can add here. Buttons, for example, how people can contact you. When it comes to the featured section, contrary to your personal page, here you can only feature posts that you have actually reshared or posted from your business page, so that you can do here. For example, when you posted about your services or when you shared a case study, something that you want to feature here can be added here. When it comes to the overview, this is a little bit like your personal about page. This is where you add why you do what you do, how you do it. You can even add some testimonial in here if you want to. And this is also SEO relevant. So everything in here is searchable. When we also go down, you have specialities that you can add here too. And these are definitely keyword relevant. So if you want your page, your business page to pop up in search results, make sure you use keywords that are words that people actually use. How would they search for you and what it is that you're doing? Don't use language that only you would use or come up with. I don't know, queen or whatever it might be, but some words that people would actually really search for. So now that you have created your business page, now we also want to link it from your personal page. So then you go over back to My Page to view profile and you scroll down to your experience section. So this is where you can change or update if you have already created a position or an experience, like LinkedIn likes to call it, for your business. If you haven't yet created that, this is where you do that. I advise all my clients to move up their business to at the top of their experiences. I want you to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like the business owner that other people actually hire to do real important work. And here's how you can change that. You can actually reorder the experience by moving this up and down if you want to. So now you have a business page. I really prefer using my business page to create events and then also to reshare my posts, my personal posts, to my business page so that it's spread a little bit more. And it also adds that additional touch of credibility to your experience section because now you have your logo. If you don't have a logo, you can easily create one in canva.com. So don't obsess over your business page's follower count. I would actually suggest that you focus on building your personal profile first, because your personal profile, that is where your reach and your relationship building actually lives. So if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because every week I will break down something essential that you need to know about LinkedIn, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.